Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more informative content. In this Lemonaid Health Pharmacy review, I'll share my personal experience using their services. For those interested in exploring their offerings, I've conveniently placed links to their products in the description below. Let's dive right in. Lemonaid Health Pharmacy is a user-friendly, telehealth-focused platform designed to streamline healthcare access and boost efficiency. It's perfect for individuals seeking quick and dependable prescription medications and healthcare guidance without the hassle of visiting a traditional clinic. Whether you're managing an ongoing health concern or require a prescription for a more routine matter, Lemonaid provides a simplified process tailored to your specific needs. One of Lemonaid Health's most notable features is its emphasis on telemedicine. You simply complete an online consultation with a licensed healthcare practitioner, and your prescription, if deemed necessary, is promptly sent directly to your chosen pharmacy. This entire procedure is fast, confidential, and can be conveniently managed from the comfort of your home, making it an excellent choice for busy individuals or those residing in more remote locations. Lemonaid Health is particularly beneficial for individuals requiring ongoing medication, whether it's for mental health management, birth control, or other health conditions. They offer a diverse range of services, including mental health care, men's and women's health, and weight loss treatments. Their platform prioritizes simplicity, ensuring you can complete your consultation effortlessly, avoiding unnecessary back-and-forth communication. What truly distinguishes Lemonaid is its commitment to affordability and transparency. You'll have complete clarity regarding the costs involved, with no hidden fees or unexpected charges. They also provide a satisfaction guarantee, offering peace of mind to those concerned about the quality of service they'll receive. In conclusion, Lemonaid Health Pharmacy presents a superb option for anyone seeking prompt, convenient, and professional healthcare services. If you're weary of waiting for appointments or navigating complex insurance procedures, Lemonaid might be the perfect solution you've been searching for. Be sure to check the description below for links to their services and further details.